Hey everybody, Rick from Tremor Outdoors, and today we're going to be doing a pretty quick and easy install. It's going to be a bed liner that I got from TripleALiners for the Fenrir here, and looks pretty cool. It looks like it'll be a pretty straightforward install, but what it's going to do is it's going to save a lot of scratches and dings. Even though I've got the Rhino liner sprayed on, it just gives you a little more protection. So let's throw that in the truck right now. All right, as you can see, we got the bed of the truck. Mine is the 5.5 foot short bed, and this should just slide right into place. So that went in pretty easily. Now the trick to doing this, when it comes from the factory, it's coming in a box. You see the two seam lines, 1 and 2. So you've actually got 1, 2, 3 segments. It's all one piece, but what they do is they fold it up, and then they also fold it this way. So when it comes out of the box, it's not wanting to lie completely flat when you put it in place. And you can actually see there's a little bit of puckering and stuff here. That will relax out, especially, you know, if you get a hot day. Once you get some heat on there, it'll relax out the rubber and it'll go into place. I like it. I think it looks really good, and it's going to protect that bed from getting any extra scratches or whatever. And the price point's great on these. You can check them out, TripleALiners. I'll put the link in the description below, but I like it.